मातृदेवो भव, पितृदेवो भव, आचार्य देवो भव, अतिथि देवो भव. Respected Presiding Officer, our International President, R.K. Saxena ji, Immediate Post International President, Balachandran ji, past International Presidents, Pankaj Srivastava ji, V.M. Rao ji, Avinash Chandori ji, my President, Anup Peter ji, because he was the International President when I was the Governor. I was the District Governor. And my colleagues on the board, International Vice President, one elect, Dr. B.S. Thomas ji, and my friend, International Vice President, two elect, Rajesh Rao ji, and Dr. Kalasdar, who was elected as the third International Vice President in his absentia, and Shekharan Verma ji, Srinivas Giri ji, and my Alliance family members. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to thank the persons who brought me into the ambit of service. His name was Satish Pasula. He was a member of District 137. He could not come today. And I also remember my childhood friend, Kola Anna Reddy, who has brought me to this ambit of service. I take this opportunity to thank them for their contribution in my life. Friends, we pray Almighty every day because He has given us so much and He has given opportunity for us to contribute to the society also, contribute to the community also. It is a great opportunity. So I take this honor to dedicate myself for this noble cause of service as the first servant of this organization. So I thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for reposing confidence in me and giving a chance to serve as the International President of this prestigious and fastest growing organization of the world, Association of Alliance Clubs International. And I'm thankful to my home club members, District 271 as well, for their wonderful support at each and every moment of my journey in this organization. Standing here today in this vibrant city of Jaipur, I feel deeply humbled, profoundly grateful and immensely honored to be declared the International President of this great organization. And I accept the responsibility not as a position of power, but as a sacred opportunity to serve. I bow with gratitude to all my mentors, colleagues, and as well-wishers who have placed their trust in me. Your faith is my strength and your support is my guiding light. The Association of Alliance Clubs International is not just an organization, it's a moment of service. A moment driven by compassion, commitment, and collective action. As beautifully said, इंसानियत की राह में जो चल पड़ा वही सच्चा इंसान है। इंसानियत की राह में जो चल पड़ा वही सच्चा इंसान है। जो दूसरों के दर्द को समझे वही सबसे महान है। This is the moment where every member believes in one powerful principle, सर्व दिल से। Service, when done from the heart of core, it has the power to transform not only communities but also the soul of one who serves. As I step into this role, my vision is clear: to strengthen our global unity, to expand our impact across communities, to empower every member to become a leader of change. We are living in times of rapid change and complex challenges, but I firmly believe within every challenge there lies an opportunity. An opportunity for us to rise, to innovate, and to serve with greater purpose. And I remember our purpose. खुद के लिए जिए जो जिए तो क्या जिए, जीना है तो दूसरों के लिए जियो। यही है असली सेवा का मार्ग, यही है जीवन का सच्चा संयोग। Let us commit ourselves to building bridges, not barriers. Let us inspire hope where there is doubt. Let us create an opportunity where there is limitation. Together we can elevate this organization to the greater heights. I envision an alliance that is not only larger in numbers but deeper in impact. An alliance that touches lives meaningfully across borders, cultures, and communities. To every member present here, I say, this journey is not mine alone. This is our shared mission. इसे वसुधैव कुटुंबकम। Your energy, your ideas, and your dedication will define the future we'll create together. I let these words stay with us. सेवा का दीप जलाते चलो, हर दिल में विश्वास जगाते चलो। ये सफर अकेले का नहीं, सबको साथ लेकर चलते चलो। Let us move forward with unity in our hearts, clarity in our vision, and strength in our actions. So before I conclude, I would say and reaffirm our guiding spirit, सर्व दिल से. Let this not just be our slogan, but it's our identity. Thank you for your incredible honor. I pledge to serve with integrity, humility, and unwavering commitment. Jai Bharat, Jai Alliance. Thank you.